Potato and chickpea curry. You will need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, tin of chopped tomatoes, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tin of potatoes, 1 tin of chickpeas and 1 stock cube. Peel and chop the garlic. Cut the ends off the onion and peel. Cut in half and then dice. Cut the potatoes into small pieces and reserve the water from the can. Heat the oil in a pan. Fry the garlic and onions until soft. Add the spices and cook for 1 minute. Add the chopped tomatoes. Add the potato water and stir well. Add the potatoes and the chickpeas. Cover and cook over a low to medium heat for 15 minutes. Season with salt. Cook for another 5 minutes and serve with flatbreads or rice.